Swirls. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Show Love. And if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Today we're going to be learning how to use the knockout technique in Silhouette Studio. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull up your design in Silhouette Studio. From there, you want to create your text. I'm just going to say Slime Squad. Select the entire text, center it, and then give it some color. Remove that outline. And then I'm going to change the font as well. Perfect. So from there, I'm going to put my text on top of the design. That's very important. You want to make sure that your text is in front of your design. Then I'm going to select all of it, go to the Modify tool, and select Subtract. All right, and so right here you're going to want to right click, scroll down, and select Make Compound Path. And that's it. You have successfully used the knockout tool, and I'm just showing you how the finished product looks. And then I'm just going to change the color for the purpose of this video. And there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching this. Bye, loves.